Hi there! Today's episode looks at Saturn. Now Saturn orbits the Sun at a distance of about 886 million miles, 1.4 billion kilometres. It only takes about 10.7 hours, we don't know precisely, to rotate once on its axis, a Saturnian day, and 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Saturn's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Currently Saturn has 53 known moons, but there's an additional 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery, which would give it a total of 82 moons. Saturn has the most spectacular ring system, 7 rings and several gaps and divisions between them. The planet was known to the Babylonians and the Far Eastern observers, but they couldn't see the rings, of course. The rings were discovered in 1610 by Galileo. But it was Christian Huygens in 1655 that properly identified them. At first though, through his primitive telescope, he thought the planet had ears because it bulged outwards in the middle. The rings are mostly made of chunks of ice and dust, and they stretch out more than 12,700 kilometres from the planet, but are only 20 metres thick. Saturn is also the least dense planet in the solar system. Mostly made of hydrogen, it has a density which is less than water. Saturn has oval-shaped storms which are similar to those on Jupiter, but it appears pale yellow in colour because its upper atmosphere just contains ammonia crystals. It doesn't have the various gases that Jupiter has, so its storms are hard to see. And the magnetic field on Saturn is actually weaker than the Earth's magnetic field, although the interior of Saturn is very hot, about 11,700 degrees, which is nearly twice the surface temperature of the Sun. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, as we aim to get videos out released about once a week or so on various astronomical topics. And if there's something that we haven't covered that you'd like to see covered, well, message me below and I'll do my best. I'll certainly respond. So I hope you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching, and thank you. See you next time.